Hi, welcome to the North Phoenix Suburbanstead. My name is Rich. Today's project is we've got an irrigation leak that's just below the putting green. And I knew this a long time ago when we put the putting green in. Our irrigation system is about 20 plus years old. If you've been following the channel, you know that we have been replacing, not only fixing lines, but we've been replacing stretches of the line as we continue this evolution of the food forest and desert garden. I use this setup to separate a lot of the dirt from the rocks, just trying to keep the rocks off the new line that I'll be putting in. So this is 1/4 inch hardware cloth, and I just drape it over the wheelbarrows, and then I roll it back and forth to separate the rocks from the dirt. It's funny, my neighbors call it washing the rocks. Anyway, I'll separate it all out, get down to the lines. I've got to dig up under the hardscape there and some of the woody mulch to find the connection back on the other side, and I'll reroute from there to there. So I've got the trench dug to where I replaced the line not too long ago, and I'm going to divert it to go under the hardscape and then through the woody mulch. And that woody mulch, I really don't know where exactly it comes out, so that's my next step, is to find where it comes out. Then I'll finish digging the trench and lay the new lines. Nice! Alright, so this is kind of a big deal. I know it might not be much to you, but I've been working on this food forest for 4 years now. So we've got grubs and worms, they're finally showing up and creating that ecosystem. Check them out. That's so awesome. So I put this caution tape down just because I have it, and it'll help alert whoever's digging here next that there's pipes down there, even though they're irrigation. And by the way, that person that's going to dig next will likely be me. So why not?